Step-by-step guide to the curtsy lunge. Knee raise with a mini band above the knees, plus muscles, benefits, and smart variations. How to do: curtsy lunge, knee raise, mini band above knees. Setup. Place a mini resistance band just above your knees. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Slightly push knees outward to keep tension on the band. Core tight, chest lifted. Step by step. 1. Curtsy lunge, down phase. Step your right leg diagonally behind and across your left leg. Lower into a lunge. Front knee bends, yarmring 90 degree. Back knee drops toward the floor. Keep hips facing forward. Don't twist. Maintain outward pressure against the band. 2. Drive up pla knee raise. Push through your front heel, left foot. As you stand, bring your right knee forward and up to hip height. Keep core tight and balance steady. 3. Reset. Step back into the next curtsy lunge. Repeat on one side, then switch. Reps. 10-15 reps per leg. 2-4 sets. Muscles working. Primary muscles. Gluteus medius, side glutes, big focus, band tension plus stability. Gluteus maximus, power to stand up. Quadriceps, front leg support. Secondary muscles. Hamstrings, assist hip extension. Hip flexors during knee raise. Core, abs obliques, balance and control. Adductors, inner thighs that stabilize during crossover. Benefits of this exercise. 1. Builds hourglass side glutes. The mini band forces your knees outward, activates glute medius, helps create wider-looking hips. 2. Improves balance and coordination. The knee drive challenges single leg stability. 3. Functional strength. Mimics real-life movement, stepping plus stabilizing. 4. Knee-friendly glute training. Less pressure than heavy squats. Great for joint-friendly workouts. 5. Burns more calories. Combo move, lunge plus knee drive. East more intensity. Variations: beginner, advanced. 1. Beginner, no knee raise. Just do curtsy lunges with band. Focus on control and form. 2. Add pulse at bottom. Stay in the curtsy position. Do 2-3 small pulses before coming up. More glute burn. 3. Hold dumbbells. Add weights at your sides. Increases strength plus muscle growth. 4. Slow tempo version. 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Increases time under tension. 5. Balance hold advanced. Hold the knee raise for 2 to 3 seconds. Improves core plus stability. 6. Add kick instead of knee raise. Drive leg forward into a front kick. More core plus hip flexor activation. Common mistakes to avoid. Knees collapsing inward. Keep pushing out against band. Leaning too far forward. Twisting hips during curtsy. Rushing. Control is key for glute activation. Pro tip for maximum glute growth. Think. Push the floor away with your heel plus push knees outward the whole time. That's what really fires up your side glutes for that round lifted shape. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more workout.